Okay, so to replace the head assembly, first you want to press down on that collar around the air nozzle, and I'm just going to pull it up here out of the way and stick it out of the way, and then I'm going to remove the lens tube, and I either need to lower the bed or I think I can just pop the nozzle off. This is a 4-inch clearance. There we go. Get that out of the way. So if you'll look behind here, there's 2 screws on this side, one here and one here, and on this side there is another screw. So you take those 3 out and you can see where they're located here, 1 on this side and 2 on this side. So you just take those 3 screws out, this whole assembly will come off. Then you can mount the new assembly. If you want to make some marks along the edge with a pencil to help with realignment, and across the bottom to give you some points, some guides, you can do that. The mirror assembly you're going to have to realign, and after you get this part mounted, you're going to want to take your mirror out and install it in here, and then you'll have to do the alignment process at least on mirror 3. Everything else should be okay, but you're going to have to dial this new head back in since we've gotten it out of place. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope that helps. Thanks.